Office small talk. Sentence natives use daily. Let's go. Morning, did you survive the weekend? Morning, did you survive the weekend? Ah, Mondays again, I need more coffee. Ah, Mondays again, I need more coffee. Did you see the email from the boss? Did you see the email from the boss? I can't believe how busy this weekend is already. I can't believe how busy this weekend is already. Any fun plans for the weekend? Any fun plans for the weekend? It's freezing in here, isn't it? It's freezing in here, isn't it? Can you believe it's already October? Time flies. Can you believe it's already October? Time flies. Your presentation yesterday was really good. Your presentation yesterday was really good. Did you catch the game last night? Did you catch the game last night? I swear the coffee machine hates me. I swear the coffee machine hates me. I love your outfit today. Very professional. I love your outfit today. Very professional. Traffic was crazy this morning. Traffic was crazy this morning. Looks like we're all stuck in meetings today. Looks like we're all stuck in meetings today. I need another vacation already. I need another vacation already. Did you want to grab lunch together later? Did you want to grab lunch together later? I heard we might get a new project next month. I heard we might get a new project next month. I'm still waiting for my brain to wake up. I'm still waiting for my brain to wake up. I'm running on caffeine and peer stress today. I'm running on caffeine and peer stress today. That meeting could be an email. That meeting could be an email. Did you watch anything good on Netflix lately? Did you watch anything good on Netflix lately? I'm just counting down the hours until Friday. I'm just counting down the hours until Friday. I think I need a second coffee to function. I think I need a second coffee to function. The printer's not working again, is it? The printer's not working again, is it? I forgot what day it is again. I forgot what day it is again. I'll never understand this new system. I'll never understand these new systems. That's above my pay grade. That's above my pay grade. I feel like today's going to be a long one. I feel like today's going to be a long one. Hey, how's your project going? Need any help? Hey, how's your project going? Need any help? I can't believe how fast this day went by. I can't believe how fast this day went by. Alright, see you tomorrow, same time, same chaos. Alright, see you tomorrow, same time, same chaos. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.